Presenting the Vivo V21 5G. The phone has display of AMOLED display on 2404 by 1080 pixels resolution. It has 64 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP rear camera. It has 44 MP selfie camera. It comes with 33 watts flash and 4000 mAh battery, Type-C. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory. It supports dual SIM, nano+nano, and dual standby, 5G. It runs on Funtouch OS 11.1 and Android 11. It is powered by 90 Hz refresh rate and Mediatek Dimensity 800U processor. It also features rear camera and front camera, dual_SIM and LED flash. The delivery box contains handset, charger and USB cable. Earphone jack adapter, and SIM eject tool. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.